city blue for me and you. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
It's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, I am so excited today, you guys, because I'm doing an unboxing. Yay! And if you guys can see based off of this logo from the box, you probably know whose makeup brand this is. And here it is, you guys! I know, a big old box for just a highlighter, right? If you guys are wondering what this is Jeffree Star's newest line, and I think it's called, Blood Money. And it comes in paper that looks like money. Isn't that super cool? And so excited, you guys. Woo! There it is, you guys. So this is his Extreme Frost highlighter line. He has different highlighters, you guys, but I absolutely love his Extreme Frost highlighter. And this one right here is called Cold. Am I holding it upside down? Yeah. This one right here is called Cold Hard Cash. The packaging is absolutely beautiful, you guys. It's green because his newest collection is based on like green shades, but the highlighter is not green actually. It comes in this really nice, cute, like fox leather box, and then you open it and it looks like that. Ooh, super pretty, you guys. I really love highlighters. But before we move on to this highlighter, I must say, if you're a person who wants bling, like literally you want that shine, baby, it's not like my last freaking highlighter video where it's just that subtle glow. No, this is for the extras that want that glow, and I love it, you guys. I like the natural glow, but I love shining. Love it. So yes, you guys, that is pretty much what this highlighter is about. We are going to do a swatch. It's going to be a very quick video. The one thing I already know that you guys are not going to like about this highlighter at all is the price. The price for this highlighter, a single highlighter, is $55. And I know you guys are going to be like, that's way too much for a highlighter. But this highlighter, to me, is one of the best highlighters. Like, if you're really looking for that shine, that wet look on the face, this is the highlighter that's going to do it. And I have another one, so that's why I actually bought another highlighter from his Extreme Frost collection, because I love them. And I don't like to spend money, you guys. I really don't like to spend money, but when I find something that I really like, you guys, I will splurge, and I am splurging today. So don't come at me in the comments. I already know you guys are gonna come at me in the comments. She's spending too much on a highlighter. Well, I'm not telling you guys to spend the $55 like I did. You guys, by all means, can just, look at the highlighter, see if you like it. Maybe a family member is a fan of Jeffree Star's, and yeah, so let's move on with this. Anyways, you guys, here is a close-up on the highlighter right here. It's called Extreme Frost Cold Hard Cash. Here is the front of the highlighter. It's supposed to be gold with green specks on there. And let me do a hand swatch. You can definitely see that glow right on the tip of my finger. We're gonna swatch it on my hand. There it is, you guys. I really hope you can see this on camera. In person, it's like, oh my god, this is so freaking amazing. So here it is from a distance, you guys. The shine is absolutely amazing. I love this. I know we have some people that like to highlight with a fan brush or like a kind of a fluffy brush. I like to do it with a fluffy brush, but I'm gonna do one either or so you guys can see how this highlighter applies. Okay, I am starting off with this fluffy brush right here and applying it dry. And here it is, you guys. I can never see myself on the side every time I do like a review, but from the mirror that I can see, it looks absolutely gorgeous, and holy smokes, that thing is pigmented big time. Next side I'm going to do with a fan brush, and I can always see this side better on camera. I have no idea why. And I am barely dabbing it, and wow. Look at that, you guys. Oh my god. Wow. You guys cannot tell me you do not see that. Shine, baby, shine. I love it. Imagine if I were to wet this with a setting spray. I will do a swatch of that right now. Wetting my finger with a setting spray and then grabbing, you know, some pigment. So let me wet my hand, spritz it. I know we generally do stuff like this with a brush, but you know. So here it is. This is how it looks wet. Wow. There is definitely a difference from this side here to this side over here. Amazing. It's way more pigmented when it's wet. Holy smokes. Okay, I'm gonna just grab a little bit that's wet and apply it to this side because I can see it better on camera, so I'm just gonna bring it up a little higher. Definitely a difference. Oh my god. I love how it applies with the finger. It's not thick. You would think that the glitter in the highlighter would feel very grainy. It's not grainy at all. It's very smooth. It's a nice powder consistency. And let me tell you, a little goes a long ways. This is the Extreme Frost Cold Hard Cash by Jeffree Star. This is his Extreme Frost highlighter line. And you can obviously see it shine in right on the camera. The camera is picking this up. And I'm very impressed with it. I'm always impressed with his highlighters. The main reason why it's so, I guess, it kind of pricey on the pricier side, the formula is supposed to have like crushed pearls in it, which is why it's so pigmented, and it's supposed to be a more upscale, higher quality formula. Again, if you did want this highlighter, he does have Afterpay on his website. I know, because $55 is kind of a lot, but like I said, I'm going to splurge. It's my early Christmas gift for myself, or one of my early ones. And yeah. Okay guys, and I would like to give out a shout out today to my girl Jessica Holdash. She is so amazing, you guys. Please check out her channel. Please subscribe to her channel if you're wondering what she does. She does makeup tutorials. Oh my goodness. She also does hair dyes, and they're absolutely gorgeous. And my second channel is Life is Like a Box of Chocolates. Isn't her YouTube channel name so cool? I absolutely love her YouTube channel name. And her channel is all about knowing Poshmark 101. So like, if you want to get a Poshmark going, this girl is the girl to go to and get advice from. She also does a lot of different reviews, you guys, so be sure to check out these gals channels, you guys. Subscribe to their channel and please help continue to let me grow. I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers, you guys. I really appreciate all your support, and that is what I'm all about, is supporting one another and growing together. So other than that, you guys, I will see you on the next one. Remember, shine on, baby. Bye.